Hey everyone, ready to burn fat, tone up, and feel amazing? Today, we're diving into the top 10 full-body exercises that will help you lose weight fast, no gym required. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these moves will get you sweating and sculpting in no time. So, grab your water, hit that like button, and let's get started. 1. Jump squats. Jump squats are a powerhouse move because they work multiple muscles at once: quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. Plus, they improve explosiveness, balance, and coordination while getting your heart rate up for a killer cardio burn. Start standing with your feet shoulder width apart. Lower into a squat position, keeping your chest up and core engaged. Explode up into a jump, reaching for the sky. Land softly with bent knees, absorbing the impact, and go straight into the next squat. Time to put this into action. Let's do 30 seconds of jump squats together. Stay light on your feet, push through, and feel the burn. 2. Burpees. Burpees are a full-body powerhouse. They target your legs, core, chest, arms, and shoulders, while also improving cardio, agility, and explosive power. Whether you're training for strength, fat loss, or endurance, burpees are a game changer. Start standing tall, feet shoulder width apart. Drop into a squat and place your hands on the floor. Jump your feet back into a plank position. Jump your feet back in towards your hands. Explode up into a jump, reaching for the sky. Step back instead of jumping and skip the push-up. Standard burpee with a jump and push-up. Add a tuck jump or a burpee box jump for extra intensity. Now, it's time to put in the work. Try 30 seconds of burpees. How many can you do? 3. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are a total body move that fires up your core, shoulders, legs, and glutes, while also improving cardiovascular endurance and agility. It's a top-tier fat-burning exercise you can do anytime, anywhere, no equipment needed. Start in a high plank position, hands directly under your shoulders, core tight, and back flat. Drive one knee toward your chest, keeping your hips level. Quickly switch legs, bringing the opposite knee in while extending the other leg back. Maintain a fast but controlled pace, as if you're running in place. Slow it down, stepping one knee at a time instead of running. Standard mountain climbers at a steady pace. Try crossbody mountain climbers or perform them on an unstable surface like a Bosu ball for extra core activation. Alright, time to test your endurance. Let's go 30 seconds of non-stop mountain climbers. How many can you do? 4. Jump rope. Jump rope isn't just for boxers or kids on the playground. It's an incredible workout. It improves cardio, coordination, agility, endurance, and full body strength, all while burning up to 1,000 calories per hour. Plus, you can do it anywhere with just one simple tool. Grip the handles lightly, keeping elbows close to your body. Jump on the balls of your feet, staying light and controlled. Keep your jumps low, just enough to clear the rope. Use your wrists to turn the rope, not your shoulders. Grip the handles lightly, keeping elbows close to your body. Jump on the balls of your feet, staying light and controlled. Keep your jumps low, just enough to clear the rope. Use your wrists to turn the rope, not your shoulders. Alright, time to put this into action. Let's do 30 seconds of non-stop jump rope, any style you want. 5. Plank to shoulder tap. This move is a core crusher. It works your abs, shoulders, chest, and glutes, while also improving balance and coordination. Plus, it teaches you to resist rotation, which is key for a strong and stable core. Start in a high plank, hands under your shoulders, core tight, and feet hip width apart. Lift one hand and tap the opposite shoulder while keeping your hips as still as possible. Lower the hand back down and repeat on the other side. Engage your core to avoid rocking side to side. Perform the move on your knees to reduce intensity. Standard plank to shoulder tap with slow and controlled reps. Add a push-up between each shoulder tap for extra challenge. Alright, let's put this to the test. 30 seconds of plank to shoulder taps. Keep your core tight and fight to stay steady. 6. High knees. High knees might look basic, but they're an absolute cardio and fat-burning powerhouse. They work your quads, hip flexors, core, and calves, improve agility and coordination, and give you a serious heart rate boost, all without any equipment. Stand tall with your feet hip width apart, core engaged, and shoulders back. Drive one knee up towards your chest as high as possible. Switch legs quickly, bringing the opposite knee up while pumping your arms. Stay light on your feet and keep a fast but controlled pace. Slow it down, focusing on controlled knee lifts. Perform at a steady, moderate pace. Go full speed like a sprint or add a resistance band around your thighs for extra burn. Time for a challenge. Let's go 30 seconds of high knees. How fast can you go? Push yourself, keep those knees up, and stay strong. 7. Kettlebell swings. Kettlebell swings are a total game changer. They work your glutes, hamstrings, core, core, shoulders, and grip strength, all while boosting cardio and endurance. Plus, they help improve hip power and athletic performance, which is why top athletes swear by them. Start in an athletic stance, feet shoulder width apart, kettlebell in front of you. Hinge at your hips, not your knees, and grab the kettlebell with both hands. Hike the kettlebell back between your legs, keeping your back straight. Explosively drive your hips forward, swinging the kettlebell up to chest level. Let the kettlebell naturally fall back down and repeat. Use a lighter weight and practice slow, controlled reps. Perform standard swings with a challenging weight and a steady rhythm. Try single-arm kettlebell swings or American swings for more intensity. Time to put this to the test. Let's do 30 seconds of kettlebell swings. Focus on power, control, and endurance. 8. Deadlifts. The deadlift is a full-body powerhouse that works your glutes, hamstrings, lower back, core, traps, and grip strength. It's one of the best exercises for building raw strength, improving posture, and preventing injuries. Plus, whether you're an athlete or just lifting for fitness, mastering the deadlift will make you stronger in everyday life. Stand with feet hip width apart, bar over midfoot. Grip the bar just outside your knees, using an overhand or mixed grip. Engage your core and lats, keeping a neutral spine. Drive through your heels, extending your hips and knees at the same time. Lock out at the top, squeezing your glutes, but don't hyperextend. Lower the bar with control, keeping the bar close to your body. Start with a trap bar or Romanian deadlifts for better control. Stick with conventional or sumo deadlifts at a moderate weight. Try heavy deadlifts, deficit deadlifts, or pause reps to build even more strength. We're doing 5 reps of deadlifts with perfect form. Load up your bar, focus on power, and let's lift. 9. Bicycle crunches. Rebuild strength, burn fat, and level up our fitness. We're tackling one of the best of exercises out there, bicycle crunches. This move will sculpt your abs, fire up your obliques, and boost your core endurance. Lie flat on your back, hands behind your head, elbows wide. Lift your shoulders off the floor and engage your core. Bring one knee towards your chest, while simultaneously twisting your torso to bring the opposite elbow towards that knee. Switch sides smoothly, extending the other leg straight. Keep alternating in a pedaling motion, keeping your core tight and movement controlled. Keep your feet on the floor and focus on slow twists. Standard bicycle crunches with controlled movement. Try weighted bicycle crunches or pause at each twist for an extra burn. We're doing 30 seconds of bicycle crunches. Keep twisting, keep those legs moving, and don't stop. 10. Side lunges. Rebuild strength, mobility, and power. We're diving into one of the most underrated lower body exercises, side lunges. This move is a leg sculptor, mobility booster, and functional powerhouse all in one. And that's it. You just crushed this full body workout. If you made it this far, give yourself a high five. But don't stop here. Consistency is key. Start standing tall, feet together, core engaged. Step out to the side, keeping your opposite leg straight. Bend the stepping knee, pushing your hips back like a squat. Keep your chest lifted and your weight in your heel. Push back to the starting position and repeat on the other side. Use body weight and go slow to master form. Add dumbbells for extra resistance. Try explosive lateral lunges or slider lunges for an extra challenge. We're doing 30 seconds of side lunges. Switch sides and keep moving. Subscribe for more workouts every week. Smash that like button if you loved this workout. Comment below which exercise was your favorite. Thanks for sweating with me today. See you in the next video.